Hi, and welcome to Tiger Talk with Parker's Hose Products Division. Today we're talking about Parker's Parkrimp crimpers and their modular design. Parker's Parkrimp crimpers continue to lead the industry in being the easiest to use, the most accurate, and the most effective for making safe and reliable high-performance hose assemblies every time. Designed to produce accurate crimps for the first time it's used, Parker's Parkrimp system crimpers never need calibration and continuously make proper crimps time after time. This means fluid power professionals won't waste their valuable time dialing variable settings that can produce miscrimps and waste. By using a Parkrimp system crimper, you'll enjoy several key advantages. Perfect alignment. Each crimper features the Park-Align system, which is a positive stop design that positions the fitting in the die for a perfect crimp every time. You'll feel that the hose is in the right position to be crimped instead of having to eyeball it. Bottom loading. It's much easier to manage long hose assemblies. Linked dies. Parkrimp dies are linked together to prevent you from misplacing a segment, or worse, using a mismatched die segment. Color coding. Parkrimp dies are color-coded by size, making it fast and easy to identify what you need. Durability. The Parkrimp system was introduced in 1980. Hey, the 80s called, they want their crimper back. But you're not giving it up. They are designed and built for years of reliable service. Decals. Our crimpers come with information-rich decals that provide a list of proper hose and fitting combinations, tools required, and the crimp specification for each hose and fitting combination. Crimp Source. It's the industry's most complete resource for Parker's most up-to-date crimp specifications, technical manuals, decals, and more. See for yourself at parker.com/crimpsource. Now that you know how easy they are to use, let's talk about how easy they are to adapt to your application. Parker offers two Parkrimp style modular crimpers, the Carry Crimp and the Carry Crimp 2. Their modular design enables you to choose between the portability that Carry Crimp crimpers have always offered and the new option to make these same crimpers bench mounted. Both the Carry Crimp and the Carry Crimp 2 crimpers are set up the same way, a single crimping unit that can either be portable or bench mounted. And the capabilities are the same regardless if you're in the shop or in the field. Let's say you start in the shop and your Carry Crimp unit is bench mounted. If you need to take it into the field, you simply remove the crimp head and remount it on a portable stand assembly. Put it in your service truck and out you go. Both the portable and bench mounted versions use the same pumps, which make it easy. And depending on your needs, we offer a pump for you. In no time at all, you'll have your Carry Crimp crimper set up and will be making perfectly aligned crimps every time. For any industry, construction, agriculture, forestry, railroad, machine tool, oil field service, waste and refuse, material handling, marine, ground support equipment, general industrial, and more. So, to get more information on any of the Parkrimp Systems modular crimpers, go to parkerhose.com or call 1-800-C-PARKER. Thanks, and see you next time on Tiger Talk.